It was a holy moment. The Andromeda Nebula overnight became the Andromeda Galaxy.
The James Webb Telescope has identified 6 galaxies that exist half a billion years after the Big Bang. This is incredible. When you look at the night sky, you have a pinpoint of light. A pinpoint of light in the night sky expanded gives you one of these pictures from the Webb Space Telescope.
Our universe is constantly expanding, making it difficult to establish its limits and a staggering 4,400 years to reach Thanks to the James Webb Telescope, these figures alone, we can now glimpse the immense farthest corners of the solar system. To put this in James Webb Telescope, we consider the Voyager 1 probe, launched in 1977 at a speed of have made announcements revealing the true size. It did not leave our solar system until 2012, which is almost unimaginable. Meaning it spent 35 within the fragment of the universe we can observe. Even light, which can circle the Earth 7 times in a single second. This estimate is based on studies relatively slow compared to the vastness. We are quite sure that this portion we can see, and although our solar system is a small part of what could be an dwarfed by the enormity of the Milky Way galaxy. We're not separate from this galaxy contains but are an integral part 300 billion stars. In a way, each of which probably has its own planetary system. With the help of the James Webb neighboring star, we plunge into a vast exploration to discover the true size, which means that if we were to travel at the speed of light, if you're interested in keeping up to date with news about the universe and its surroundings, subscribe to our channel. Imagine the time it would take to travel to the next star notifications. Alpha Centauri. If we were traveling at a speed of 70 miles per hour as the Voyager probe, it would take us about 38,000 miles per hour one lap. It would take a staggering 70,000 years. It would take approximately 5 months to reach the moon. This shows us the immensity of the distance to reach Mars involved in exploring the cosmos. And a staggering 4,400 years to reach Neptune, a star located. These figures alone demonstrate the immense. If we consider what we call the radiosphere, this represents the distance we consider the Voyager 1 probe covered in the launched in 1977. Although the signals have degraded 38,000 miles per hour, they have so far it did not leave our solar system until 2012. However, meaning it spent this figure is only a fraction to get out compared to the number of stars even light, which can circle if you look at Vega 7 times sky in a single second. You're actually seeing the light that left its surface compared to the 640 years ago. About 100 years before Columbus set sail. It is dwarfed by the enormity. This light has traveled for all that time, and is just this galaxy contains approximately. It is truly amazing to realize that Vega, each of which probably has its own planetary is relatively close. Our nearest neighboring star, to amaze you even more, Alpha Centauri, we must consider that our radio light years away, which encompasses, which means that if we were to travel at the speed of light, is only small, but within the immense expanse of the Milky Way. Now, to help us imagine the time it would take to travel to reduce our solar system to the size of a quarter of the United States, even if something were traveling at the same speed would be compared to the vastness that is 38,000 miles per hour. In this immense region, it would take a staggering 700 billion stars to reach Alpha Centauri and their planets. This shows us just one of those 300 billion star systems exploding in the midst of an unimaginably large number of stars, a star located 64 beyond our galaxy. If we consider what we call the radiosphere, yes, this represents the distance. A trillion is an incredibly large number in the last century. To understand its magnitude, although the signals have degraded, imagine a collection of they have so far reached about 15,000. Now suppose that there are 1,000 groups of cats. This figure is only a fraction compared to the number of stars. That would give us a total of 1 million cats. If you look at Vega, but to understand a trillion, we must remember that there is already left its surface 640 years ago. So a trillion equals about 100 times before Columbus set sail, which is a staggering number of cats. This light has traveled for all that time is the Andromeda Galaxy, reaching our planet. Located 2.5 It is truly amazing to realize that Vega, Andromeda, is rapidly approaching relatively at a tremendous speed. To amaze you as this galaxy approaches, we must consider our night sky will undergo, which encompasses all human radio transmissions. This galaxy contains only a small, but within the immense expanse, and when it eventually collides with our own, to help us imagine this, the Milky Way, if we were to reduce our 300 billion to the size of a quarter, the chances of individual stars from the entire Milky Way with each would be compared to the vastness of this illustrates the vastness of space and the low probability of direct interactions between stars within a galaxy. We are just one of those 300 billion although rare at the level of floating in the midst of an unimaginably facilitate life between stars and galaxies. Beyond our galaxies are not static. There are at least a trillion more galaxies, but are dynamic. Yes, a trillion evolving. A trillion as we move away from our large number. We find to understand its magnitude. Imagine a collection cluster which contains more than 1,000. Now suppose that there are 1,000 groups of Virgo. in turn,
each consisting
is
of
part of a
1,000
larger
cats.
supercluster
That would give us a total of
Laniaca,
1 million cats,
which contains approximately
but to understand a trillion,
100,000
we must
galaxies.
remember that there is
Each of these
already
100,000
a million
galaxies has
represented in that
hundreds
number.
of billions
So a
of
trillion
stars
equals a
and
million
planets of its
times a
own.
million,
And this
which
is only a small
staggering
part of
number
the big
cats.
picture.
Our nearest neighbor in the
observable
galaxy
universe
is
there
the
are
Andromeda
another 10
galaxy,
million
located
similar
2.5 million
As
light
we
years
zoom
away.
out and observe,
Andromeda is
we discover
rapidly
an
approaching
increasing
us
number
at a
of
tremendous
mapped
speed.
galaxies.
As
However,
this galaxy approaches,
these mapped galaxies
our night
represent
sky
only a
will
small
undergo
fraction
significant
of what is
changes.
actually out there.
This galaxy
There is a
contains
staggering
about
number
1
of
trillion
hundreds
stars,
of billions of
and when it
galaxies
eventually
that have
collides
not
with
yet
our
been
own
fully
galaxy,
mapped.
the Milky
In
Way,
addition, we
which
must
is
consider
300
the
billion
cosmic
stars,
background
the
radiation,
chances of
which
individual
represents
stars
the
from
oldest
both galaxies
detectable
colliding with each
light.
other
That is,
are
the
quite
residual
slim.
heat left
This
over from the
illustrates
Big
the
Bang.
vastness of
This
space
radiation
and the
is
low
a
probability
remnant
of the early stages between
of the
stars
universe
within a
existence.
galaxy.
The
Galactic
scale of the
collisions,
universe,
although
becomes
rare at the
even
level
more
of individual
staggering
stars,
when we consider
may
the
even
vastness
facilitate
beyond
life
galaxies.
between stars and
We
galaxies.
find regions in space,
Galaxies are known
not
as static
cosmic
systems,
voids,
but
where
are
matter is
dynamic
scarce
and compared to the
constantly
rest
evolving.
of the universe.
As we move away
These
from our
cosmic
galaxy,
voids are
we find our
immense,
local group
spanning
of
hundreds of
galaxies,
millions
followed
of light
by the
years
Virgo
in
cluster,
diameter,
which
and
contains
appear
more
as
than
vast
1,500
expanses of seemingly
galaxies.
empty space.
Virgo,
However,
in turn,
these
is
cosmic
part of a
voids
larger
have the potential to
supercluster,
give rise to the
Laniaca,
formation
which
of
contains
future
approximately
structures and
100,000 galaxies.
As we move deeper
Each
into
of
the
these
cosmos,
100,000
we
galaxies
encounter
has
cosmic
hundreds of
filaments,
billions of
which are
stars
colossal
and planets
threads
of its own.
composed of dust,
And this is only a
gas,
small part of the
and
big
dark
picture.
matter that stretch
In the
across
observable
billions
universe,
of light years. There are
connecting
another
galaxies
10
and
million
galaxy
similar
clusters.
superclusters.
These cosmic
As we
filaments
zoom
form
out
a
cosmic
observe,
web-like structure,
we discover an
that binds
increasing
the universe
number
together
of
in
mapped
gravitational
galaxies.
interaction.
However,
The distribution
these
of
mapped
matter
galaxies
in the universe
represent
is not
only a
uniform,
small
but
fraction
shows a
of what
cosmic
is
web
actually
pattern
out there.
where
There is a
clusters
staggering
and
number
superclusters
of
of galaxies are connected by these cosmic
that have not yet been fully
This
mapped.
creates an
In
intricate
addition,
tapestry.
we must
that
consider the
spans
cosmic background
unimaginable
radiation,
distances,
which represents the
It is within
oldest
these
detectable
cosmic
light,
filaments
that is,
and
the residual
superclusters
heat
that
left
galaxies
over from the Big
congregate.
Bang.
This
Interacting
radiation
through
is a
gravity.
remnant of
The
the
vastness
early
of
stages
space of the
offers a
universe's
vast
existence.
and abundant
The
stage
scale
for the
of the
existence
universe
of countless
becomes
celestial
even more
objects and
staggering
phenomena. When we
For
consider
example,
the vastness
supernovae,
beyond the galaxies,
which are the explosive
we find
deaths
regions
of
in
massive
space
stars,
known as
disperse
cosmic
heavy
voids,
elements throughout
where
the
matter is
cosmos,
scarce compared
enriching
to the
the
rest of
interstellar
universe.
medium.
These
and planetary
cosmic voids
systems.
are immense.
Black holes,
spanning
with
hundreds
their
of
immense
millions
gravity,
of light years
play
in
a
diameter,
determining role
and
in the
appear
evolution
as
of
vast
galaxies
expanses of
and can
seemingly
release
empty
jets of
space.
energy that
However,
extend great
these cosmic
distances into
voids have the
space.
potential to
In the
give
depths of
rise to the
space,
formation
we
of
also
future
find
structures
exotic
and
phenomena such as
galaxies.
quasars,
As we
which are
move deeper into
supermassive
black
cosmos,
holes that
we
feed on
encounter
nearby
cosmic
matter
filaments,
and emit
which are
colossal
colossal
threads
amounts of
composed
energy.
of dust.
These
Gas,
quasars can eclipse
and dark matter
entire
that stretch
galaxies
across billions
and
of light
act
years
as beacons
connecting
of the early
galaxies
universe,
and galaxy
allowing
clusters.
us to study the
These
cosmos
cosmic
in its
filaments
early
form a
stages.
cosmic
The
web-like
question
structure
arises,
that binds
however,
the universe together
what lies
in
beyond the
gravitational
observable
interaction.
universe?
The distribution
There
of
are
matter
numerous
in the
additional
universe
galaxies
is
that
not
are
beyond
uniform,
our
but
visual
shows a
reach.
cosmic web
As the
pattern,
light from these
where
galaxies has
clusters
not
and
had enough time
superclusters
to
of
reach
galaxies
Earth.
are
In
connected
addition,
by these
due to the
cosmic
continuous
filaments.
expansion
This
of
creates
space
an intricate
and the constant
tapestry
motion of
that
galaxies,
spans
the light from
unimaginable
most of these
distances.
distant galaxies
It is
will
within
never
these
reach us.
cosmic filaments
As a result,
and superclusters
these regions
that
may
galaxies
remain
congregate,
inaccessible
interacting
to us
through
indefinitely.
gravity.
The
As the
vastness
universe
of
expands,
space offers a
we can make
vast
inferences
and abundant
based on our
stage
understanding
for the
of the
existence
laws
of
of
countless
physics.
celestial
These
objects
inferences
and phenomena.
suggest that the
For
entire
example,
universe
supernovae,
is at least
which are the
250
explosive
times
deaths
larger
of massive
than the
stars,
observable
disperse
universe.
heavy elements
In fact,
throughout the cosmos.
there are compelling arguments
enriching the
suggesting that its
interstellar
size
medium
could be even
and
larger
planetary systems,
potentially
black
infinite.
holes. In this
With their immense
context,
gravity,
a broader
play a
perspective
determining
emerges
role
that
in the
leads us to
evolution of
consider the
galaxies
nature
and can
of the
release
universe
jets of
in our
energy
place in
that
it.
extend
As human
great
beings on a
distances into
remote
space.
planet
within
in
the
the depths
vast
of
expanse
space,
of
we also find
contemplating
exotic
these
phenomena
possibilities
such as
invites
quasars,
us to
which are
reflect on our
supermassive black
existence
holes that feed
and
on
our
nearby
role in
matter
the cosmos.
and emit
So,
colossal amounts
have
of
you ever
energy.
wondered how
These
vast the
quasars can
universe
eclipse
is?
entire
Well, if so,
galaxies
I hope
and
this video video has helped you understand the early universe, allowing us to study the cosmos in its early stages. The question arises, however, what lies beyond the observable universe? There are numerous additional galaxies that are beyond our visual reach, as the light from these galaxies has not had enough time to reach Earth. In addition, due to the continuous expansion of space and the constant motion of galaxies, the light from most of these distant galaxies will never reach us. As a result, these regions may remain inaccessible to us indefinitely. As the universe expands, we can make inferences based on our understanding of the laws of physics. These inferences suggest that the entire universe is at least 250 times larger than the observable universe. In fact, there are compelling arguments suggesting that its size could be even larger, potentially infinite. In this context, a broader perspective emerges that leads us to consider the nature of the universe and our place in it. As human beings on a remote planet within the vast expanse of space, contemplating these possibilities invites us to reflect on our existence and our role in the cosmos. So, have you ever wondered how vast the universe is? Well, if so, I hope this video has helped you understand even a little more about the immensity of the cosmos. I hope you use the comment box to ask any questions. And if you liked the video, hit the like button, share it to reach more people, and subscribe so you don't miss more content like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you in the next one.